See, this is what I'm worried about. This one made it, it's fine. There's a couple down there. The rabbit got this one. Do I want to sit in the house and do nothing? Absolutely. I don't want to be an active gardener. I prefer the lazy garden method. Some of our blackberries from our blackberry harvest this summer. Sharon has to find something to do with it.
Blackberry syrup for the pancakes.
What's the recipe?
Sugar, water, blackberries, and cornstarch.
1 cup of blackberries, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of sugar. The pancakes, walnuts, and the syrup, a little bit of whipped cream, all homemade. This one made it, it's fine. There's a couple down there. The rabbit got this one. And yesterday, a couple of my subs and friends said, you know, if you got hardware cloth or some chicken wire. But yeah, we gotta do chicken wire. So there's a roll of it over here behind the solar panels. It's kind of beat up. You know, everything's been growing through it. This is the stuff. So I'm gonna go cut this up, and I can't lose my plants. You know what I mean? I just can't lose them. And I got my tin snips. I can't record it because I don't have a tripod. Gonna do it and get it done. Got the green mesh along here. "36 inches high. There's a good foot or so in there to protect it. All these pots are protected. I got it wrapped around. Just to give this stuff some growth until it gets untasty. Young plants, delicious. Older plants, not so much. And grow up there. The back of this is exposed. They can stick their heads in here. So what I have to do is I have to get some more pots, some blanks, and stick those in there and make it difficult for him to get in. But we got a good 75% of it protected for now. I'll get the rest of this worked on. I gotta find something to cover this side. I might have some things. I have to go look. Second part of that, going around, covering all that, meeting here in the middle, protecting everything. We're done. The experiment is protected. I can't be lazy about this and just let the rabbit come in and kill my stuff. Gotta be a little proactive. Do I want to sit in the house and do nothing? Absolutely. I don't want to be an active gardener. Prefer the lazy garden method, but in order to produce things, we have to protect them. So I can get in here, I can mess with stuff. As these plants come up, if there's any of these beans, I can trellis them up on the inside here. When they get tall enough, I'll get around to fixing the nylon netting. We just repaired this shade cloth. You know, it's time to win this fall. Not give in, you know, fight the good fight. Thanks for watching. This is the Wickershire Project, and we'll catch you on the next one.